Hi again, and this is, as I was uploading the other video, I get a knock on the door from the mailman, and we were just talking about this. This is the box that has the Angelic Pretty dress in it. So, wow, that was amazing because he gave me the tracking number, and when I went to go look for it again, when I went to go look, even it was still sitting in New York. So I need a pair of scissors, which I don't have. Maybe I do. So we're gonna unbox it right now. I have the best husband in the world. Side note, and not to keep everybody in suspense, but side note to this, I posted up earlier this last week or something. There was this meme going around where this Lolita's significant others. It was a guy. It was heteronormative, but that's how they drew it. I didn't draw it. They drew it. Whoever they was, and they were like, he goes to the post office, looks for stuff. He holds his stuff. He does all this stuff, but he supports her in her dreams. And I have a husband that supports me in my pretty dreams. So, see you in hell, box. Here it is. Angelic Pretty. I feel weirdly guilty. I feel like I did something wrong because we know I have a very staunch anti-Angelic Pretty policy. But, oh, here's the little head bow for it. And this is made out of, I want to say corduroy, because this feels like, but it doesn't look like it has those lines in it like the corduroy does. So, wow, spiffy, 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 spiffy. I feel like I'm not going to be able to fit this, so we will have to see the zip. It has the stretchy, so I may be able to fit into it. It just seems really small. So, wow, this is actually a lot prettier in person. Oh, snap. The detail. Look at the lace. It's got horses on it, and it says AP. So, I'm not brand insane like that, but I appreciate my husband for getting this for me because I did not ask for this. I literally had not asked for this. And for him to have purchased it for me is just like, what? The Royal Theater, Cirque d'Étoile, Circus at Night, or Circus of Night, I guess. That's Circus. I'm assuming like Cirque du Soleil. And this is Cirque d'Étoile. And I think L'Étoile is because there's a French song I want to learn how to sing. And, that's called something Nuit d'Étoile or something. I do not speak French. I am horrible at French. And I actually took a semester of French. I think I got a C in it. So, but that is amazingly cute. I'm going to see if I can because I feel like this is going to be way too small. Even though I've lost a lot of weight, I just feel like this is going to be a little too small. So, let me see what it's talking. I will be right back. All right, so mercifully, it fits. Oh my God. So let's move my chair out of the way. I'm trying to give you the best look that I can. But yep, it fits nicely. So can I move back a bit without killing myself? Because dying isn't fun. Sorry about the view, but I'm working with, I don't have anybody to work the camera. If I had somebody to work the camera for me, I'd be able to give you a better look, like a close-up, like somebody to zoom in and whatever. But I am just working with a laptop camera, so, wow. It does fit. It's not that much stretchy left, but it does fit, so, and I can breathe. So if it didn't fit, I couldn't breathe. So, but I can breathe. So, and that's the little head bow that came with it. I have to, oh my God, I can't wait for my husband to come home from work today. I'll be like, look, it came and it looks so cute. So I just need to find a blouse. None of my blouses, this is one of my old blouses. Look how much room is going on here. So I gotta find a proper Lolita blouse or find somebody to take this nonsense in, because this is madness. None of my blouses fit, and that's one of the few things in Lolita that I never really got was blouses. I don't know why, because the majority of my wardrobe is fucking JSKs, but I am so happy that this fits. I'm so happy my husband bought this for me. It's not generally, I do not agree with Angelic Pretty, but I guess it's fine because they didn't make any money off this sale. So I don't fucking know. But I am a little bit of a billboard for them, which does not please me. But, well, what are you going to do? But that was really nice of my husband to just straight up do something that he knew would, he didn't know it would make me happy. I think, doesn't he know my policy? Haven't we covered that before? I don't know. But it was sweet. It was a sweet gesture, and I won't give him grief for it because, honestly, he did not have to do that for me. But that is the unboxing of the 12 Circus of the Night, we'll just call it. And, yeah. And I think, I want to say this looks like corduroy, but it doesn't feel like corduroy. So I don't know what the hell it's made out of. But that is all I have again. And that should be all for the day. So see you around next time. Later.